Windows Madison Heights is a crucial service for homeowners and businesses looking to enhance their property's aesthetic and energy efficiency. Madison Heights window installation services offer a wide range of options, including vinyl windows, double-hung windows, bay windows, and casement windows. With the expertise of Madison Heights window contractors, you can ensure a seamless installation process that meets your specific needs. Energy-efficient windows. Madison Heights are essential for reducing energy costs and improving indoor comfort. By choosing energy-efficient windows, residents can enjoy lower utility bills and a more sustainable home environment. Madison Heights vinyl window experts provide top-notch services to ensure your windows are both stylish and functional, contributing to a greener future. Custom window designs in Madison Heights MI allow homeowners to personalize their spaces with unique and stylish window options. Whether you're looking for bay window specialists in Madison Heights or casement window services Madison Heights MI, local window suppliers. Madison Heights offer a variety of designs to match your home's architecture and personal taste. Window repair is a vital service for maintaining the integrity and appearance of your windows. Madison Heights window repair professionals are skilled in addressing issues such as broken glass, damaged frames, and faulty hardware. With Window Glass Repair Madison Heights MI, you can restore your windows to their original condition, ensuring safety and functionality. Storm window installation in Madison Heights is an excellent way to protect your home from harsh weather conditions. By investing in storm windows, you can safeguard your property against wind, rain, and debris. Madison Heights window contractors provide expert installation services to ensure your storm windows are securely fitted and effective. Window screen replacement Madison Heights is a simple yet effective way to improve your home's ventilation and keep pests out. Professional window screen services ensure that your screens are properly installed and durable, providing long-lasting protection and comfort. Window tinting services. Madison Heights MI offer numerous benefits, including increased privacy, reduced glare, and protection from harmful UV rays. By choosing professional window tinting, you can enhance your home's comfort and energy efficiency while maintaining a sleek appearance. Professional window cleaning. Madison Heights is essential for maintaining the clarity and appearance of your windows. Regular cleaning services help remove dirt, grime, and streaks, ensuring your windows look their best and allow maximum natural light into your home. Residential windows. Madison Heights services cater to homeowners looking to upgrade or maintain their windows. From window maintenance services Madison Heights MI to window upgrade options. Madison Heights local experts provide comprehensive solutions to enhance your home's value and comfort.